Environmental and health risks posed by excessive use of chemicals in farming are increasingly becoming a major concern and leading to the adoption of new eco-friendly methods of agricultural production. Agro-ecological farming, an adaptive method which combines local and scientific knowledge to cope with climate change, water scarcity, market volatility, and other production elements, is fast gaining popularity among farmers in Kiambu County. We caught up with one such farmer in Ndea.
A once bare land with nutrient-deficient properties is now a lush of green with flourishing crops and animal feeding from within. Sylvia Courier has turned her fortunes from this seemingly ordinary parcel of land in Kiambu County.
With time, we have transformed the place, and we have used a lot of agro-ecological principles to actually transform the land. So the land was very dry, barren, and we had the soil was it was almost whitish. It was very pale, and even when we did our soil testing, there was no nitrogen whatsoever. The soil did not have any nutrients at all.
Through tree planting, cover cropping, mixed cropping and composting, the soil has regained the required nutrients to comfortably support plant growth without addition of chemicals like fertilizers. Raw animal manure also helps nourish the soil with components vital for farming specific crops.
One of the things that we have been doing over time is growing trees. Agroforestry is a very big principle in agroecology, because when you grow the right trees, they're able to create a microclimate and actually change the whole area.
Beekeeping has also played a vital role in pollination, while other insects kept here are used in pest control. The farm thrives on a symbiotic relationship between plants and animals in the wholesome food chain.
We also are planting trees that are fodder, because when it gets to very dry season, we don't have enough grass, we don't have enough fodder for our goats and our sheep and chicken. So what we've done, we've now, the trees that we've planted are also very good fodder for the animals, are high in protein, and the animals are growing very well. And if you're doing like dairy goats, they would do very well in an area like this, because with the trees, they have like enough protein to produce a lot of milk.
Ndea, Kiambu County is largely semi-arid area, and water conservation is critical to cut down on usage and production cost.
We have set up drip lines on the farm, and the drip lines are actually helping to maximize and save on the water that we have. As we said, we're in a semi-arid area, and the little water we get, we have to maximize it and make sure that it's not going to waste. So we use our drip lines, and then we cover our beds with mulch. Because even the way we've done our gardening, everything is in a bed. So it means that we are able to control the planting. It's very easy for you to do your weeding or do your watering. And then the mulch helps to retain the water. Then the cost of pumping water comes down considerably. Because if you're able to use the drip lines and the mulch, then you can be able to ensure that you have, you can water your garden like twice a week, and it's normally very sufficient.
The farmers have been collaborating with the Institute for Culture and Ecology in the quest for a policy framework to guide the farming method.
For the last 1 year, we have been working very closely with the county government of Kiambu, especially the State Department of Agriculture, where we are working out a process that will lead to a policy development of agroecology for Kiambu County.
Sylvia is now urging farmers to embrace agroecology as a climate change adaptation method while cutting down on excessive use of chemicals to farm.